Hey everyone, long time no see. Hope your 2025 is off to a great start. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we are going to be reviewing this club car tempo golf cart that I currently drive around at a private residential area. This is a one of 3 golf carts here at this property that I drive around. We use it for utility purposes, which is why we have that cargo holder in the back. So, not a lot of space, but it does get the job done. This is a base model tempo golf cart, so there are no lights or anything around that, but it does get the job done. And we use it for, like I said, transporting materials, doing maintenance work. But it's a pretty good golf cart for what it is. Yeah, base model, nothing fancy. This is an electric golf cart, which I like really a lot because it's really efficient and it's a really smooth experience. We got 6 Trojan motive 48 volt batteries here, and that's what powers our golf carts here. So yeah, base golf cart. And with that, we are going to get in and we're going to take it on a test run. All right, now we are inside the tempo golf cart. As you can see, actually we are under a golf cart cover that my company bought, so all 3 of our golf carts do have this. Very convenient for staying out of bad weather and from the cold. So now let's go over the features of this golf cart. Like I said, there are no horn, there is no lights, but we do have the basic controls. Right here is your ignition key, which is currently on the on position. Low battery light, since this is an electric golf cart. The standard stop and go, excuse me. Steering wheel with a clip, which I think is for scorecards. We do have duct tape on here because the top is unfortunately starting to split. Down here we have the forward, neutral, reverse, and then a charging port down there. The golf cart comes with 4 cup holders and 3 cubby spaces for your tools and other equipment. So yeah, pretty good golf cart right here. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to push into forward, and let's take it for a spin. So since this is an electric golf cart, the driving experience is very smooth. Max speed, I would like to say, is about 15 to 20 miles per hour. I have one golf cart that I'm going to review in the next video that's slightly faster than this. And since this is an electric golf cart, it comes with regenerative braking, so I don't have to necessarily press the brake every time I have to come to a stop. Think of it as a Tesla or any other electric car. This is also a pretty big property that I work at. You'll see, like, there are actually plenty of buildings around here. Although 4 of them are owned by a different company, and as a result, I thankfully don't have to deal with those. I know the screen isn't the greatest in front of you right now. It has seen better days thanks to the weather, but it actually is very helpful, because we don't have to face the wind right now. All right, we're back to our starting spot. Let me quickly back up. We're going to switch to reverse. Alright, and to park the golf cart, just press this little park button, and your brake is locked into place. And yeah, there it is. Alright, there we have it, everybody. A ride on the Club Car Temple golf cart here at this residential area. Like I said, it's not the fanciest golf cart because there's no lights, there's no horn, there's no special features, but it's a great utility golf cart for me and my crew here at this complex. I do have 2 more golf carts here in this complex that I want to review in another video, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you next time.